everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to hide birthday on Facebook. Now to do that, open the Facebook application. Now once you are logged in into the Facebook, you need to tap on your profile icon, top left, tap that, and here on the profile page you need to tap on edit profile. On the edit profile page, you scroll down to the very bottom and tap on edit your about info. You tap on it. Here you will have all the information about yourself. Here you need to scroll down and you will have the basic info page. You tap on edit. In this edit page, you will be able to hide your birthday. To do that, here you can see on the birth date and birth year, you have this option on the side. You tap that drop down menu. From there, you will be able to change your privacy. That is, you want to show your birthday or not. If you choose public, everyone on Facebook will be able to see your date and year. If you choose friends of friend, all your friends of friends will be able to see your birthday. If you tap on friend, your friends will only be able to see your birthday. If you tap on more option, you will have the very last option, only me. You tap that, and with that only you will be able to view your birthday on Facebook. Likewise, you need to do this process on the year as well. Tap on the drop down menu. Tap on more option and then tap on only me. With this, anyone on Facebook will not be able to see your birthday from now on. This is how you can hide a birthday on Facebook. You need to make sure that you save these changes as well. So tap on save on the bottom, and with that the option is saved. So this is how you can hide a birthday on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.